Welcome, this is j.Spence, the drummer for the Wilson Brothers Band out of Nashville, Tennessee. This evening I'm talking about my new drum rack. Designed and built, painted, and put it all together from scratch. And I'm going to take you from scratch up to where it's at right now. I play Mapex drums, I have a Gibraltar rack, Zelgin cymbals, Meinl cymbals, Sabian cymbals, UFIP cymbals, all a hodgepodge of cymbals. I play with Vic First 7/8 sticks, wooden tip. And what my videographer has done and helped me out is taking it step by step, sort of like a time-lapse type video for those who are watching. This is for the purpose of endorsement, so I'm going to be sending this out to different companies for that particular purpose, endorsements. The Wilson Brothers Band just put out their second video, Loving You, Loving on Me. It's all over the nation now. Our first video went to #1 on CMT 12-pack countdown. So we're looking forward to this coming year. But anyhow, what I'm going to do now is show you how we put this set together and what it looks like now. And you just can't hardly imagine what it's actually going to look like until you get it all together and take it from the floor up. It's like raising a building, you know. I had fun doing it. Once I got the rack up, I started visualizing how the drums were going to fit in there, the cymbal stands, and then the cymbals and the mics. The whole rack holds everything, and the reason I built it like this is because we do a lot of opening shows for big acts, and so therefore the drum rack, my drums, because they're such a intricate part, they have to be moved off the stage pretty quick. So I built it where all you have to do is move my throne, my snare, kick drum out of the way, and you can pick the whole rack up and move it off with everything on it, because it's all attached. That means mic cable, looms. The looms, the mics, the cymbals, the stands, everything. You just pick it all up and walk off stage with it. And that's why I built it like that, so I can do that. So I thank you guys for watching, and remember, you can reach me, Bobby, WTW@bellsouth.net. You get on the website, my Facebook page, which is easy to find, j.Spence Facebook. Or you can go to wilsonbrothersband.com or wilsonofficial.com to reach out to me, one way or the other. So I'm looking at any drum company, any cymbal company, any stick company, Gibraltar rack company. All these companies here are going to get this video eventually. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the process, because I did. It was a fun process. For the whole thing, it took me maybe 2 weeks to really envision it, put it together, and make it stand up like it's looking right now. It's a beautiful set of drums, and they look great under the lights. And Mapex drums sound extremely good. But I do not have an endorsement from Mapex. The sets I have, I bought. And I am looking for that. So thank you much, and we'll see you down the road. Remember, wilsonbrothersband.com. See you.